everybody, and this is lesson 4 in my series of Fluid Acrylics 101, and I'm going to show you 3 different methods of pouring. One will be over a bottle top, one using a sink strainer, and another one using a lemon squeezer. So let me put some gloves on. And I've got lots of paints mixed. I haven't really decided what colours to do. I'm going to try and use the same colours though. So I've got a metallic cobalt. I have, now I'm not going to get my big head in this picture, this beautiful deep violet, and a lid off, and we'll use some lime green, and let's see, some gold. That should be good. I hope I've got enough. I'll keep another blue on standby, just in case. All right, so I'm going to do the bottle top first. I'm going to begin by pouring on the bottle. So this is just the bottom of a water bottle that I cut off. Trying to get it evenly, which I'm not. I want to show you how thick this is as well, if you can see that. Okay, I'm going to do these all together. I'm not expecting this one to come out particularly well, but we'll see. I haven't actually done a lemon squeezer before. All right, now we're going to go with some gold. Some gold in this one. Now there's lots of things you can use for these pours. A colander, and I don't know if I've still got it, I might have used it already. You know the container that those little cherry tomatoes come in? They're kind of cool. All right, now I'm going to use metallic cobalt. That's my little baby dog grunting in the background. Nice colors. Yeah, this one might just be a fail. We'll see. I was thinking that I probably should have propped it up, but these two are pretty. Now let's see what color. Let's put some lime green on. So if you haven't already checked it out, check out lessons 1, 2, and 3. In those, I think lesson 1 mixing paints, and lesson 2 is about colour theory, which paints to mix, colours to mix together, and which ones not to. And so this is lesson 4, and I probably will do at least one more lesson. Okay, I'm going to do some more purple. And totally different looks. I'm dying to lift this up and see what's happened, what's going to happen. I guess it's going to probably be sort of like a dirty pour. And I can see the paint is slowly creeping underneath. Gold. It's like pouring butterscotch sauce over an ice cream. Yum. This gold's kind of thick. Oh well. Okay. I think we've probably got enough paint on. So now the trick is to lift them up with hopefully not making too much of a mess. Let that one finish. Pretty. All right, let's see what happens here. Yeah, I mean, the colors are nice. They go well together, but I don't even know if it's worth doing anything with this one. I'm gonna ignore that one, but this is gorgeous. So just move it around slowly. And I'm trying to think if any of the paints had silicone in them. I don't think so, not in this section. So just tilt it slowly, or if you want to leave some negative space. Over the corners. So there, that's that one. And I just wipe my hands on my apron. And then this one. This one's really nice. I don't want to lose all my gold. I wonder what would happen if I put the sink strainer in the middle of this one. Okay, come on, over you come. That one more corner. Go, slow coat. I think the paint I mixed yesterday, so It's probably a little thicker than it should be, but it's fine. It will dry nicely. So there you go. And I mean, for the heck of it, I can tilt this one to see. I mean, it's really pretty. But methinks not. So back to my lemon squeezer can go back in my kitchen. It really didn't produce anything. So we'll forget about the lemon squeezer. Anyway, hope you liked the sink strainer and the bottle. It's very psychedelic, very that 70s show. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video and in lesson 5.